the silent decline of Australia's mountain ash forests. Something silent and sinister is happening in Australia's mountain ash forests. As temperatures rise, these ecosystems are slowly, steadily losing their trees, and with them, their ability to store carbon. These are not just carbon giants. Mountain ash are also the tallest flowering plants on Earth, some towering over 100 meters. But half a century of forest measurements reveal a troubling trend. Warming is reducing the number of trees these forests can support. Mountain ash forests